Hi everyone, this is T.8, Introduction to Similar Solids. So this lesson is going to be pretty easy and familiar, and what this is doing, it's preparing you for the next one, T.9, which can be challenging, okay? So embrace this one, really try to grasp the concept, and get ready for the next lesson, which will really be more complex. All right, so all it's simply saying is, just like similar figures, solids have the same idea. If solids are similar, then we're able to compare them in a proportion. A proportion is two fractions set equal to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to compare this pink solid to this blue solid. So I'm going to say the radius of the pink is to the height of the pink, as the radius of the blue is to the height of the blue. What's really important is you just need to be consistent in how you choose to compare it. So as I cross multiply here to solve, this would give me 2p equals 4. So then p would be 2. Okay. Now another way I could have compared is I could have said radius is to radius. So I could have said 1 is to p as height is to height. And still, I'll get the same answer. 2p is 4, so p is 2. What you need is just consistency on how you choose to set up your fraction. Okay, so here we have a cone. And the way this will go is, I'm going to say, I like to compare a shape to a shape. So I'm going to say height of the big cone is 6, as slant height is t. Height of the small cone is 3, as slant height is 4. Okay, so I'm going height is to slant height as height is to slant height. So then this would become 6 times 4 is 24 equals 3t. Divide by 3. T is 8. Okay, why don't you guys try this next one? All right, let's see how you did. So I'm going to say slant height U is to base, which is 11. A slant height 14 is to base, which is 22. Just being consistent in my organization. So this would be 14 times 11, and that's 154 equals 22u. Now I'm going to divide by 22, and that would give me u is 7. Okay, why don't you try this next one? Triangular pyramid. All right, so let's see. I'm going to say 275 is to u, so height is to base, as 176 is to 128, as height is to base. So this would be 275 times 128, and that's 35,200 equals 176u. Now just simply divide by 176, and I get u is 200. Alrighty. Why don't you try this one? This is the last one. Decimals. All right, so I'm going to say height W is to base 1.35, as height 5.3 is to base 2.7. So I'm just going to cross multiply here. So this would be 5.3 times 1.35 equals 7.155 equals 2.7w. Now let's divide by 2.7. And I get 2.65 meters. All right, guys, that concludes today's lesson. Tomorrow's going to step up a little bit, so be sure to tune in for the next one.